Kuika is a cloud-based, all-in-one platform that enables you to develop web and mobile applications that include workflow with its low-code infrastructure, UI design, data sources, process automation, email builder, report designer, scheduled jobs, API builder, configuration manager, and help desk modules in the platform are prepared in accordance with the application development flow. After logging in to the platform, open the application you want to work on from the app screen. Common to all module types are modules in the upper section. In the UI design module, there are panels of elements, screens, and special actions that you can add to your application on the left side. The canvas in the center shows the open screen. You can work with different sizes of the screen according to the display mode on the top edge. With elements, you can drag and drop elements into the screen design. Elements are listed under different categories. With the Screens panel, you can add new screens to the application and organize them. You can use template screens when adding new screens. With CRUD, you can create screens that list, update, and delete in seconds by selecting a data table you added in data sources. You can also use an Excel document such as a product or personnel list to create CRUD screens for listing, adding, editing, and viewing. With custom actions, you can list or edit actions defined in the data sources module and/or called via an API. Action List Panel is the panel that hierarchically groups and lists all the actions in the screen you are in. You can also see the elements to which the actions are added under the actions in the list structure in this panel. With Item Tree, the elements on the open screen are shown in a parent-child relationship. With languages, you can perform translation operations for different language versions of the developed application. On the right side are the Properties and Styling panels, which change dynamically based on the screen or the selected element. With the Properties panel, you can make parametric settings and data binding operations of the selected element. With Authorization, you can define role-based authorization, and with Visibility, you can define in which situations the related element will be visible. With Add Action, you can add and manage the custom actions added by the system by default, and also the custom actions you have prepared in the Data Sources section to the selected screen or element. You can also manage the styling of screens and elements with the Styling panel. For the application you developed, you can add data sources with ManageDB, MS SQL, REST Swagger API, REST API, C#, Bluetooth, and AI. The Data Sources module comes with ManageDB, which comes by default and is hosted on Kuika servers. You can also use other data sources and extend the application features with C#. You can create or manage process automations in the application you developed. You can use the Email Builder module to send email-type notifications, such as account registration notification, order receipt notification to the users of the application you developed. By default, it comes with email designs for the password renewal flow. You can also use many template email designs in different types and designs. With the Report Designer on the platform, you can design the report that you will use in the application you have developed. You can distribute the reports you have designed as PDF. You can provide time planning for the actions you use in the application with the Scheduled Jobs module. You can use an application you developed with Kuika as a data source for different applications. Using the API Builder module, you can turn an application you have developed into a data source in minutes. Using the Configuration Manager module, you can define iOS and Android configurations for native mobile applications, as well as web application settings. Kuika is just a click away at every moment of the application development process. When you need help during the application development process, you can create a support request using the Help Desk module.